All right, basement update. So here we are. Can lights are in, they're all tested. Everything is working fine. All the plugs are working fine. This family room eventually will be a family room. Got the lights going. Walking towards my wife craft room. And this is where she'll be making all her creations. Got the lights in. They're all temporary, of course. Just wanted to make sure everything worked accordingly. I've never done electrical before. This will be the bathroom. Got my GFI plug working. Got the light up there. Eventually we'll swap that out. There's the vent fan. That's also working. Awesome. This will be eventually a gym. Awesome, 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 awesome. There's the electrical panels. This being the sub panel, this being the main panel. Wired this all myself. Sounds easy, but it took me about 2 weeks to get the courage to actually run the main power from the main panel to the sub panel. I literally turned the whole house off from the outside because I wanted to be sure that I wasn't going to electrocute myself. So here we have a little bit more lighting in here. Awesome. Our storage room is also powered up. This is a view from this end. Walking back towards what will be the open family room area. This will be the theater room. I'm in the process of ordering the wood to build a platform right here. I am going to go with an Elite Spectrum 150-inch recessed screen, powered. Just doing some work on that. I just set the limit switch to where it stops at this spot every single time. So there it goes. And it's all the way up there. I did get the trim kit, which I will adjust once the sheetrock and whatnot is in there. Perfect. All right, so I've seen a couple of videos and I think some people didn't know that this particular screen had a limit switch. So for those of you who didn't know, the limit switch is located right in the corner with the plug. Get some light up in here. Give me 1 second. Let me get a flashlight. And I'll show you where the limit switch is. As you can see, I have an Allen wrench there. So, I don't know if you can see it. But where you see that Allen wrench, that's where the limit switch is. One takes it up, one takes it down, and you can set where it stops and where it comes down. You got to go counterclockwise and clockwise. And then once you get your position, that's pretty much it. So when you up, down the screen, it stops where you want it. And when it drops, it stops where you want it as well. So there is this piece that you have to pull off. It sits like right here. So you just pull it off. It's just a tab. It comes off fairly easy. And then the limit switch will be back there. Same side as the plug, just in the event that you needed to know. I am going to wire a box here for power. And then I'll cut the end off this plug and then wire it directly into this box. And then close the box. So far so good. Looking forward to getting this basement done. And the theater room is coming along. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video.